Right now, as you're watching this video, the system has already evaluated you. Your phone, your card, your browsing history, all of it is being compiled into a single file. In 2026, a global social credit system will be implemented. You thought this only worked in China? Look around. Like the wrong post, bought too much meat? Your score drops. A low score and doors close in front of you. Literally. Welcome to a digital prison with no visible walls. The main tool of control is your personal carbon allowance. Want to fill up your car? Denied. You've reached your limit for this month. Want to go on vacation? All flights are now forbidden for you. Your freedom of movement now depends on an algorithm. But the scariest part? People will accept the system voluntarily. For what? For the sake of damn convenience and speed. Why carry a passport when your face is the key to everything? We put on the digital collar ourselves, all for fast internet. Remember the frog in boiling water? We're being boiled, but the water is still warm. To close the loop, a digital ID is introduced, a number for the slave. Without it, you won't be able to call a doctor or go online. Think my home is my castle? In 2026, it won't be. Your home is the ultimate snitch. Devices watch you 24/7. The fridge will lock your food if you exceed your calorie limit. The smart thermostat will shut off the heat if your score drops. The robot vacuum scans your apartment and sells the map to corporations. We've sent spies into the bedrooms. There's no turning them off now. Anonymity is dead. Every word you say online is being recorded. You will become your own jailer, out of fear. Is there a way out of the digital gulag? Difficult, but possible. Rule number 1, digital hygiene. Hide your data. Rule number 2, cash, the only truly anonymous transaction. Rule number 3, decentralization. Connections that bypass the servers. The system fears that you will wake up and slip out of its control. Subscribe so you don't become a QR code. We're building the resistance. If there's no cash, how will you survive? The answer is in this video. The video will appear on the screen. Click in time while it's available.